In this video, I'll show you how to add music to Facebook Reels using your phone. Adding music can make your reel more engaging and entertaining for viewers. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, go to the Reels section and tap the Create Reel button. This will open the camera screen where you can record a new video or upload one from your phone. If you want to add music, look for the music option on the editing screen and tap on it. A library of songs will appear where you can browse or search for the music you want to use. Tap on a song to preview it, and if you like it, select the part of the song you want to add to your reel. After choosing the music, record your video or adjust the clip so it matches the music. You can also add text, effects, or filters if you want to enhance your reel. Once you finish editing, tap Next to continue. Add a caption if you like, then tap Share to publish your reel. Your reel will now be posted with the music you selected. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.